How to get your A1 nozzle unstuck. Okay, right here, there's a crack right here. Grab that crack, pop that open, and that top just pops right off. Okay, this black item is called your sock. Take your thumb or whatever, just pop that right off. With the machine powered down, go ahead and flip this lever right here on the inside. You can see this square lever. You're just going to flip it open. Flip it open. Open up this inside piece here. There you go. Now you're going to have this. Now grab a pliers, grab the thing and just wiggle it loose. And it should come right out. Now if it does not come out, you're going to have to turn the machine back on. You're going to have to set the temperature, control nozzle, and then you're going to hit 200. Okay. Now you're going to watch that go up to 200, and as soon as that hits 200, turn the machine off, grab your nozzle, and it should come right out of there. Thank you.